Hello. So I'm a new driver, I have to admit, and I bought jump starter off Amazon and an air compressor, and it has a flashlight. It's called ANFLAG. It's pretty cool. This box. It comes in this. Once you open it, you have instructions inside. You have all sorts of cables. Now you have the jump starter kit with the clamps, which is great. You have a cable for the air compressor, which is neat. And this is it, with a handle. Despite its size, it's quite light, right? And it has an on-off button with a neat display. It tells you, obviously, how much you still have left, but also and it switches to bars for cars, for motorcycles, bikes. You can turn on the flashlight from here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and it's pretty strong. Very well. I mean, yeah. But also you have the air compressor settings button, actually, which is right in the middle, and it's pretty strong. Here you go. Nice. So yeah, definitely very handy. But what I find quite useful, especially for my tablet and all, is the fact that you have USB normal outputs, but also USB C. Pretty neat, I would say. I mean, given the money, and light too. Yeah, here you have it. ANFLAG of Amazon.
Hello, I'm reviewing this product to show you how easy it is to jumpstart a car where the battery has died. Please start the car. Turn it off so you can tell that it didn't start. There's a handy dandy light just in case you're in the dark if you have to start the car. So I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to attach the cables and try to start the car. Okay, I've plugged in the product. I plugged in the kit.
Okay, try to start it. Completely dead? Yeah. Okay, let me connect it up. Okay, now try to start it up. Yep. Nice one.